Mr. Frost 181, and I'm coming back with y'all with some new content. So for today, here you see we got this thing called a paper maker, and it came with a list of instructions that I have read and everything, and this little machine to make paper. So I've already, man, put my little styrofoam thingy, man, you know, between 50 and 75 inside the measuring cup. And the water line is at exactly 250. You probably can't see it as clear, but now you see it, yeah. It's at 250, okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some kind of color inside it, you know, just to give the paper some color. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Y'all hang tight. Hold on. YouTube. So now we got the coloring inside here in the little die. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna just take this little spatula, you know, that they provided us with to mix it and stir and everything else. All right. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm gonna put you on pause again so I can mix it up and see how it looks. And then we're gonna put it inside here. All right. Hang tight. All right, YouTube. I'm back. So just all mixed and everything. I'm about to take it and pour it on this little tray here, and with the screen right here, and then I'm gonna place this screen on top of that, along with this little foam thingy right here. All right, hang tight. All right, YouTube, I'm back. So everything is all sprayed like it's supposed to be. So now this time I gotta place this little screen like this over it, and then, you know, something like this here, okay, and then also place this on top of it, and suppose just let it do what it do. All right, hang tight. We're gonna see what we have. All right, hold on. All right, y'all, I'm back. So this is what we got. Just gotta keep doing this. Hold on, I can't exactly see if I'm gonna use both hands. You know what? Let me see if I can try to put some kind of, if y'all to see, maybe. Something like that, maybe. Alright. I ain't got my tripod, man, but just bear with me. You know? Okay, alright. So just keep doing this, man, you know. Make sure it's all dried out and everything. And, you know, just keep this process like that. And this should be good enough, man. I'm gonna take it off, man, and see what we have. Bad looking. Alright. It's done. So let's see what the hell we have. Alright. Place it right here. Take this off. Alright. Take this little piece off right here. Whatever. Go ahead and take this little piece off right here, man. Alright. Like this right here. Like that. Okay, hold on. Let's prop it back up again. I need both my hands for this. Alright, hold on. Let me tighten it. So just like this. I don't want to mess it up, man. I mean, shit. Alright. And I ain't got, oh, coming off, man. I don't know if I gotta let it dry, man, like this, man. That's what I don't know. I don't want to mess it up, man. I mean, shit. Something like that. Let's see, where where can we leave it dry? You know what I'll do? Hold on, I got something. Hold on. Get this thing here. Hold on.
Oh, he messed it up. Why don't leave it alone?
That's how it's supposed to be.
The video leave it alone. Like it would be, you would think it would come out alone.
What you mean? It would come out long.
I'm talking about this part.
It's gotta dry. I'm guessing that, you know, whenever it dries, it's supposed to, you can be able to write on it. So I guess when you have to just let it dry and do this thing, and then come back to it like this. I'm gonna dry, man, on this right here, let it, and then just. But how long you gotta, man? You gotta wait, man, to
Probably till the next morning.
No, not that long. All right, y'all. So it's the somewhat finished product for the first time, but I did it. Yeah, I got a little chip, man, off right there, but whatever. It's gonna still work. I made it blue. It looked good for the most part. All right, y'all. I'm put y'all on pause and show y'all what it looked like, man, when it's dry. All right, hang tight.
The next day.
Okay, so it's the next day, and it seems like the paper is ready. Let's check it. Put them up in the dry, you feel me? Got this right here. It's yellow, but you can't really see the light on. This looks blue. Yeah, I kind of messed up on this one because I'm adding some noodles.